Hey traders. So, time for a review, Monday review of trades. And in keeping with transparency, we're going to just follow everything that I posted in live time on StockTwits. And if you feel like subscribing to me on StockTwits, you can join and follow these trades as well too. So, December 11th, we start the day off with a couple of trades right out of the bat. Um, I started off this morning short TXN at 98.40 at 9:36. I also took a day trade short at 265.60 at 9:43 a.m. on the Spider. And then the Spider trade went against me. I added to the position with a stop of 266.20 at 10:15, and then ultimately I took some profits on the TXN, and ultimately I added my average cost on the Spider was 265.85, and I actually exited the trade. It was an ugly trade, not a big winner. So all time stamped, all there. I have one other trade that's working right now. Dova, I'm short from 30.20. So let's review those, shall we? Okay, so starting off with the Spider. Um, I really liked this behavior this morning. It looked like we were going to short. We closed this gap to the penny, and I actually took a short. This is where I took my first short right here. It looked like we were going to just continue to do this all day. However, the market just backed up, fired up, and that was no fun. But I still did not really think the market was going to be that strong today. I was proven wrong, but this is where I added to my trade. Now, I usually don't like to add to losing positions, but this trade was a small size to start off with, and I didn't really see anything that I was too worried about. And when the market broke down here, I actually thought, okay, this could be good. So I actually added to the trade here, and I exited the trade with a small win here. Man, am I ever glad I did that, because it's just been up all the rest of the day. So the other trade was TXN. I was back at that one again today, and I short TXN. What time did I do that? I just want to be accurate, because I short TXN at 9:30 or something, right? Some really early. December 11th, just quickly. December 11th. Yeah, it was like 9:40 or something. Not, yeah, TXN. There we go. Not. No. Sorry, guys. I apologize. I just want to be accurate with this. Where the heck is for my profile? There we go. Sorry. Forgive me. So TXN, I short at. Oh my goodness, it's all here somewhere. There we go. 9:36. Sorry, so long. Took forever. 9:36, which was right about here. 9:34 and 9:36 is where I short TSN, and it came down, ended up going up higher, and then I took the entire trade off at this liquidity level down here. So that one was a beautiful win. I didn't take the entire trade off. I only took part of the trade off, so I'm still holding on to it. So overall, the only other trade that I have is Dova, and that trade's still working. It's not a day trade, it's a swing trade, so we'll have to see how that plays out. That's a short there. But so those are all the trades today. Nothing really remarkable, but in the small winning day. But in the efforts of transparency. Everything I post, all my trades here, I'm not like those other educators guys that, only tell you about good trades. I show you everything. If I post it, it's live. You can go and check it, be one of my 12,000 followers, and hopefully you enjoy my content. I make a lot of political content as well too. Look at this. I find this so disgusting. There's an explosion in Manhattan this morning. Nobody knows what's going on. All this chaos, all this craziness, and Trump is tweeting 10 minutes after the explosion. Trump is tweeting another false story, this time in failing New York Times. I watch 4 to 8 hours of television a day. Wrong. I mean, like, a bomb went off in New York City, and the leader of the country is talking about how he's so downtrodden by all this bad publicity. This is not going to end well, guys. You can't have someone with such a huge ego running the country in control of nuclear weapons. He's great for business to a certain degree, but anyway, bye for now.